Hey, welcome to This is My Architecture. Today, we are glad to invite Tom, Senior Site Reliability Engineer from MaiCoin. Tom, it's so nice to have you here.
Nice to meet you, HC.
So, first of all, can you talk about what service provide from MaiCoin?
Yes, of course. MaiCoin Group provide digital currency exchange and investment platforms, which enable people to purchase digital assets from API, desktop, of course, mobile application. We use a lot of enterprise features to build up the platforms. Also, we run our own Kubernetes container solution in the AWS. We try to build up the most trusted digital exchange in the world.
Okay, cool. So it sounds neat. Large infrastructure to support it and management it. So how MaiCoin achieve this goal to manage your infrastructure?
Yes, he really take us a lot of time to achieve it. As you may know, in a traditional way, when one operational guy want to manage the AWS cloud resource, maybe he need to log in the AWS console and click the icon, then record the step by step in the documentation. But he is very easy to update and hard to maintain.
Not true.
Yeah, he is terrible. And as you may know, for a startup company, there is no any documentation to reference. He's very normal to happen. And he's really a pain point for operation guy. Hence, we adopting the infrastructure core architecture. Then we can automate deployment and recovery the process. Also, we can verify our infrastructure through the testing framework. Even we can hook the testing script into our monitoring system. Then we can observe the abnormal situation when it happens.
Oh, cool. So can you share some challenges behind the scene when you go through the infrastructure as code journey?
Yeah, when I was alone, things is very easy. But when we adopt the infrastructure code for a long time, we encounter three major problems. The first problem is the permission control issue. The second one is the testing methodology. The last one is the cooperation issue.
Oh, so I'm a little bit curious. So how do you control and manage the permission control issue?
Yeah, you can imagine it, just like developer the general application, they will separate different environment for production and development. For the infrastructure as code architecture, we do the same thing, but we separate it by different AWS account, just like the production, development. And in each AWS account, we have three roles. One is read-only, the other is rollback, and other is the write. Most of the part, human only use the read-only role to operation the AWS cloud resource. And the rollback role is for Terraform for sure. The write role is not used for general purpose because we don't want anyone can change the production environment in any time. So if we want the write role in the production AWS account, then you need to apply it and go through the change management flow. Then we can protect the production account.
No doubt. So infrastructure is just like another software application product in MaiCoin. So how can you ensure the quality of this product?
Yeah, quality is an important thing in our company. So when someone changes the Terraform script, then the CI/CD framework will trigger the testing framework called TerraTest to perform the testing. And what is TerraTest? TerraTest is a Go library which is developed by the groundwork. He saved us a lot of time to develop the testing script. Why? Because there is a lot of helper function inside it. Also, because he is a Go library, hence we can add more testing function into it if we like it. And I feel the learning curve of TerraTest is proper for the SI engineer and capable of feasibility.
Another topic, in my experience, when we change infrastructure in a real production, it's a big challenge, and we need to do it more carefully. So, how do you manage your team to develop and apply infrastructure as code?
Yeah, when things come into a production environment, everything need to very carefully. So we adopt the GitOps flow for our Terraform development flow. Let me show you. Because Terraform can make sure there is only one person can change the same cloud resource in one time, but he cannot avoid many people to change the same code and knowing what will happen when the code change. Hence, we adopt the GitOps tools called alternatives. When there is a code change, then create a pull request to the CI/CD framework. Then the pull request will show up what will be changed in the Terraform. Then we can know what will be changed in the AWS account cloud resource. Besides, if there is anyone want to change the same code, and the code is managed the same cloud resource, it is forbidden because alternatives will forbidden people to do that. Hence, in this workflow, then we can make sure the Terraform development and apply process is correctly and smoothly.
Okay, this mechanism looks really fantastic. So, do you have any future plan to do the enhancement?
Let me think. Yes, I want to adapt the policy as code into the architecture to increase the security and quality of the infrastructure. But as you may know, once the policy becomes code, then we need to test it. But I think maybe leave it to me in the future.
Okay, thanks for your sharing today. And thanks to watch. This is my architecture. Thank you.